What up, y'all, and welcome back to the FitMenCook studio. Today it is Taco Tuesday. Even though I'm not sure if this is actually a Tuesday, but we celebrate Taco Tuesday on any day of the week that we're eating tacos. And today's recipe is going to make your mouth water. We are using Almond Breeze almond milk to make some delicious, crunchy shrimp or cauliflower tacos. And then we're gonna be turning this into a delicious avocado crema recipe, which is probably gonna be like a soup. You could probably just drink it, it's so darn good. Don't miss this recipe, y'all. It's super simple, quick, easy, but most importantly, it's delicious. Check it out. So the first thing we're gonna do is prep our shrimp. So I've got some jumbo shrimp here. It's already been deveined here in the top, but I'm gonna peel it. I am gonna leave on the small part of the tail. Now, we're gonna flip it over and then just make small incisions right here. So that way it lays flat just like that. And then repeat this for the remaining shrimp. All right, so now let's make the batter. So we're gonna start out with some almond flour. Then we're gonna sprinkle in some chili powder, a little bit of cumin, some onion powder, and some garlic powder. Add in a pinch of sea salt and some black pepper and give this a good stir. All right, now the base of our batter is done. Now let's add in the key ingredient. We're gonna be using some unsweetened almond milk. A little bit at a time. And this is about the consistency that we want, just enough to coat the shrimp. I'm gonna grab the shrimp here. If you are a vegan or a plant-based dieter, got some cauliflower. Dip it into our batter, cover it in a little bit of panko, and then place this on a baking tray. And just like you did with the cauliflower, now it's time for the shrimp, but just be careful though, because you don't wanna get arrested. You know what I mean? I'm gonna dip the, why are you looking like that?
I won't get arrested.
For battering shrimp.
You got issues, man.
Come on, that was good. That was good. You're laughing. You're laughing.
So dumb.
No, you are so dumb.
And then place into the panko, roll it around, and that's why I kept that tail on. So that way it's just easier. That's the part that's dry. Place that shrimp right on top of the baking tray. We're gonna spray these with a little bit of olive oil or some avocado oil. And then we're gonna bake these for about 10 to 12 minutes at 420. All right, so while the scrimps are cooking up, we're gonna make a quick avocado crema. First off, we're gonna add in some Almond Breeze almond milk, hit it with a little bit of cumin, some garlic. So we're gonna start out with just a quarter of an avocado. And you can always add more if you want more flavor. Some onion, or you can use a shallot. In goes jalapeno, a little bit of cilantro, salt, some black pepper. And if you want, you could even hit it with a little bit of avocado oil or some olive oil. Blend this up. And add your sauce to your condiment bottle. Oh man, fresh out the oven. Look at that, Jesse. Tell me that does not look beautiful. Now it's time to build our tacos. We got our freshly cooked tortillas here. Gonna add in some pickled cabbage, add cauliflower, one. Add some diced onion here if you want to, some cilantro. And then the other star of this dish is the avocado crema. And then don't forget the lime when you're about to eat it. That's our cauliflower one. Now, for the shrimp and seafood lovers here, add in our crispy shrimp, onions, a little breath stank, cilantro, and then our avocado crema. Finish it off with some radish, load it up with some veggies. All right, Jesse, the most important part, the taste test. Let's try both of them, all right? We have to. We gotta see which one we like the best.
Tough job.
But someone's gotta do it. There's tenderness to it. This is really good. But, oh, you liked yours. I enjoyed mine. The shrimp time, here we go. Cheers, bro. Hello, shrimp, here we go. It's like, I think the shrimp may have edged it out just a little bit. Just a hair.
Extra bit of flavor in there.
Yeah. It was just by a very small margin. But what I love about this recipe, again, is that this is really easy for a family to make. You can make this plant-based, or you can make it seafood-based, and it's still gonna come out amazing. This recipe, again, is eggless and gluten-free and plant-based. So if those things are important to you, then I want you to run out and go grab this recipe, and don't forget to get your Almond Breeze almond milk, unsweetened kind, y'all, unsweetened. I just realized we just ate up all the stuff for the intro. So we film the intros last, and we usually like to keep the hero shot for the intros. Now we can't even do that. We've got to go and make new heroes just before we can shoot the intro. Dang, Jesse.
Sorry, intro.
It just goes to show you that they were that good.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, if you like videos like this, then I invite you to smash that like button below. And I want you to comment below something else that you would add to these tacos to actually boost the flavor, but not add in too many more calories. Give us your secret taco ingredient recipe so that we can all live happier, healthier, and really tasty lives. If you're new to the channel, what up? Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, you have to ring the bell, ding, 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 so that way you can be notified whenever we post hot new content, so you can come back here, watch the video, download the grocery list, and then run out and make the recipe too and make it your own. All right, y'all, thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I want y'all to keep it healthy, but of course, never, ever boring. Boom! Bye, peeps.